Hey, stop, don't scroll, don't scroll, don't scroll. All right, this is a math therapy. So we have a very beautiful equation here on the board. It's an olympiad mathematics. Uh, you can see how beautiful it is. The question implies that x raised to the power of what? The square root of x equals to the square root of x. Now, raised to the power of what? X. And we are asked to find x. Which of the x again? They are x here, but we are asked to find x. So what's the value of x? Let's check the possible solutions for the value of x. So let's start with solution. Wow. Let me stand this side. Let's start with solution. So we have here x raised to the power of what? Square root of x equals to square root of x or raised to the power x. Now let's look at this critically. We can still say that x raised to the power of what? Square root of x. Of course, you know that square root of x can be written as what? X raised to the power of what? 1 over 2. The square root here is the 1 over 2. Get? So let's do something interesting. Into x raised to the power x or raised to the power of what? 1 over 2. Wow, that's great. Have you seen this? So now what do we do again? We can still say x raised to the power of what? Square root of x equals to apply power rule here by multiplying what is inside the parenthesis with what is outside the parenthesis. So this is going to be x times 1 will give us what? X. And we have here x raised to the power of what? X over 2. And one of the laws of indices says that when we have two same base, we equate the exponent. So from here, we have the two same base. What we do is equate the exponent, which is square root of x equals to x over 2. Of course, you know what you can do here. This is very, very interesting. So this is just by saying cross multiplication. And we're going to have here 2 root x equals to what? X. I think I have two ways of solving this. If you have another alternative way of solving or simplifying this, you can drop it on the comment section. Another way by doing that is to square both sides. I think square both sides. This square here will cancel this, and this square will affect this too. That's going to be 4x equals to what? X squared. Wow. So what we have to do now is take this guy to this side and equate it to 0. So we have here that x squared minus what? 4x equals to what? 0. And something is common here. This is a quadratic equation now. Something is common. Let's factorize it. X is common, right? So we now have here, let me take it to this side here. We now have here that x into x minus 4 equals to 0. This simply implies that x equals to 0. And this x minus 4 equals to 0 here. Sorry, this x minus 4, when it crosses to this side, is going to turn to what? Plus 4. So that simply means the possible solution is x equals to 0 and x equals to what? 4. Wow, that's very, very great and interesting. Please do well to smash the like button and share this video. Thank you very much and have a nice day.